Hey, it's Ed with Solomon's Landscape here. I just want to do a quick video. I know we got a bunch of rain in the last couple days. So one thing that I did a post on just the other day was irrigation. And so one of the things that nature provides is irrigation for us. So if you do have an irrigation system, it might be wise to turn it off for a few days, or potentially even having a rain sensor. They have those that you could put and install into your irrigation clock that automatically turns off the irrigation for a couple of days based on the amount of rainfall. I know there's also some clocks that are a little bit more technologically advanced and have connections to weather channels and things of that nature to be able to predict the weather as well, to help control your irrigation so you're not overwatering those plants, because that is a danger as well, especially when we get a bunch of rain. I think probably last night probably an inch or two, and then the night before another inch or two. So that should suffice for the next week or so. But just a quick tip: add a rain sensor or have a clock that has the access or ability to shut off automatically based on the weather patterns. So that's a quick tip on the irrigation systems, especially this time of year when we got this amount of rain. Normally it's not an issue, but it's always a good thing to have, and it's cheap insurance so you're not overwatering. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and take care.